So hello guys, welcome to another video. In the previous video tutorial we have learned how to develop our own music player, and we have passed the URL of mp3 file and we have just played it. Okay, so let's take a view on that previous application. Okay, so here just run the application. In this second part of video we are going to extend that application features. Okay, so our application will read the mp3 files from our SD card so that we can play our mp3 files offline also. Let's paste here. Okay, just say play. So that's it about last video. Let's just add the button here to list mp3 files. So just copy this button and paste it here. Okay, and change the design. You can say list song button. Okay, fine. Now just place the button below the audio done button. Okay, so here layout below audio done. Okay, we got it. Now just change the background color. We will take black. Fine, so that's it. You can add here other dialogues or any instructions. That's your wish. I am not adding here. Okay, so that's it. Let's go for main activity. Okay, here you can say another button, list songs. Okay, so here initialize the button list song equals to find view by id art.id dot. Okay, list song button. Fine. Next, add on click listener dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. So that's it all about our main activity. Let's create another activity for list songs. Okay, so here new empty activity. Okay, so name the activity as list songs activity. So generate XML file. Okay, finish. Activity created successfully. So here first of all add a list view. Okay, so you can take a recycler view and you can change into list view. Okay, so drag this. Nice, we got this. Just change the layout as relative layout. Okay, wait, just change this as relative layout and change this as list view. Okay, so we got our list view. Next, change the size. Okay, add another floating button. So here floating action button, just paste it here. Okay, search for list. Okay, no list is there, so you can take options. Okay, just search it here. Okay, fine. Yeah, you can take this one or you can take this one also, sort by size. Fine. Okay, now just align this button. Okay, center horizontally and align as parent bottom. Fine. just change the background color. We will take black. Okay, fine. Now just change the margin of the button from the bottom of the layout. Okay, so here layout margin bottom, you can take 20 dp. So now our button is perfectly placed. Okay, that's it. And now just change the unique IDs. Here you can take say list songs layout, or you can take list songs view. Fine. Next take this button as list songs button. Okay, BUTTON. Okay, so fine, we have set the IDs. Now just come to the list songs activity. Here you can take private context. Okay, context. Okay, to get the application context. Okay, fine. Next you can take private and say list view. Okay, next one is list element array list, you can take. Okay, so here list element array list. Okay, fine. Just import this. Okay, imported. Fine. Next one is, so just keep these all variables as private. Okay, here also private list view. Fine. Next string array. You can say list elements. Here only you can initialize. Okay, so equals to new string array of. Okay, fine. Open braces. So next we can take an array adapter here. Okay, no leave. First of all, initialize all these four inside our onCreate method. Okay, so first one is list view equals to find view by id r.id dot. Okay, list songs view. So next one is okay, we have forgotten to take floating action button, so take it here, private floating action button. You can say list songs. Okay, fine. Let's initialize it. List songs is equal to find view by id r.id dot list songs button. Okay, this one. Fine. Okay, next one is context equals to find view. Okay, get application context. Okay, fine. So next one is list element array list. Okay, equals to, okay, equals to new array list of. Okay, just keep it like this and pass here rs dot as list. Okay, pass here list elements. Okay, okay, fine. That's it. Next one is we have to take an array adapter. Okay, so here private. Okay, here private also, private array adapter ar. Okay, array adapter okay, fine. That's it. So for that we need a content resolver also, so take it here, content resolver. Okay, just say content resolver. Okay, fine. Okay, so here initialize adapter is equals to new array adapter. Just pass the context here. Okay, wait, not this. Just pass the context as list songs activity dot this. Next one is you have to pass the layout, simple layout only, android dot r dot layout dot simple list item. Okay, take first one, simple list item 1. Okay, fine. So next one you have to pass the list element array list. Okay, so that's it. So let's add the on click listener to our button. So for that, what is our button name? List. So just you can say list songs dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Okay, that's it, we got it. So let's develop the retrieval method. Okay, so here you can take public void get all media files. Okay, or media mp3 files you can say. Fine. So fine, now just initialize this content resolver inside this method. Okay, so here content resolver is equal to context dot get content resolver. Okay, fine. Next one you have to take an URI. Okay, URI private URI, just import this class, alt enter. Fine. So now here URI URI equals to media store dot audio dot, you can see media dot external content URI. Okay, fine. So that's it. Next, initialize, we have to take a cursor also. Okay, so here private cursor. Okay, so just make it private. Okay, fine. Let's initialize the cursor. So cursor equals to, just say content resolver dot query. Okay, fine. Pass the URI here. Okay, next you have to pass projection as null, selection as null. Okay, selection arguments as null also. Next one is sort order, it's also null. Okay, fine. So next, take a condition. Fine, that's it, looks nice. Fine, if cursor double equals to null. Okay, so we will make a toast. Okay, toast dot make test. Here pass the context list songs activity dot this, comma, pass the message. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, fine. Next, comma, toast dot length long. Okay, that's it, and dot so. Fine, so that's it. Next, take else if another condition not equals to cursor dot move to first. Okay, here move to first, then make another toast, just copy it, paste it here to change the message to you can say no musics are there, or you can say no music found on SD card. Okay, So fine, that's it. Okay, next we have to pass other logics inside our else block. So here take, okay, you can take int title equals to cursor get column index. Okay, fine, and pass media store dot audio dot media dot data, or you can say title. Okay, okay, we will take data only. Okay, so that it will help in future. Okay, so media dot data. Okay, take this one, change it to data. Fine, so here you can say do open and close string data, otherwise you can say m data equals to cursor dot get string data. Okay, fine, next while cursor dot move to next. Okay, fine, completely we have developed our get all media mp3 files method. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, just rearrange this. Okay, nice. We have to call this method inside our on click method. Okay, fine, go here. Okay, just call that method get all media mp3 files. Fine, nice. List dot set adapter pass adapter. Okay, fine, so that's it. I think we have completed our list songs activity class. Yeah, we have completed. Next, so here one last thing is left to do is list view. Okay, list view dot set on item click listener. Okay, not on click listener, set on item click listener. Okay, fine, new. Okay, here adapter view dot on item click listener. Fine, we got on item click method here. Here string data equals to you can say parent. Okay, we have to rename that adapter view to parent. Okay, fine, just rename this adapter view. Fine, yeah, this one is parent. Okay, and change. Okay, remain same. Okay, fine, parent dot get adapter dot get item dot, okay, pass I here position. Okay, dot to string. Okay, fine, so we got the data from our media retrieval with method. Okay, so here intent equals to new intent of, just pass this context comma audio activity dot class. Okay, fine, next one is intent dot put extra. Okay, here name equals to URL, or you can say file comma data. Okay, fine, otherwise okay, fine, start activity pass intent. Okay, so that's it. So fine, I think we have taken URL as the name of intent extras. Okay, So change this as URL. Fine. Yeah, we have taken URL. So here in audio activity.java we have to make some changes. Okay, fine. So here write if and say get intent dot. Okay, before that we have to pass another intent so that audio activity class will recognize that it's not a URL, it's a file to play. Okay, so here intent dot put extra, you can say just name as file, value as file. Okay, and that's it, so that it looks unique. Fine. So in audio activity class here has extra file. Okay, so here inside that you can say my. Okay, fine. We have not taken an URI. Okay, so just take an URI at the class level, so you can say private URI, not string. Okay, fine. Yeah, URI, you can say my URI. Okay, not string, it's an URI. Okay, so here you can say my URI equals to URI dot parse. So here is our most important thing, just say file colon and double slash and concat with URL. Okay, so I am using this instead of file output stream. Okay, so else my URI equals to just say URI dot parse of URL. Okay, so it's simple. So now here you can say set media player dot set data source, not just URL. You can say get application context comma my URI. Fine. So that's it all about our audio activity class. Fine. Yeah, everything looks fine. So let's take a view on our Android manifest.xml. so here this request legacy external storage is equal to true I have written. This one is most important. Okay, remember this, because if you will miss this then you will get exception like file not found, and that's complicated. Okay, fine. So here all set. Just here write some logic inside our on click method. Okay, just copy it and say paste. Okay, audio activity dot class. So here you can say list songs activity dot class. Fine. So no intent required for this activity. Fine. And now here we missed this. Fine. You can say below the string m data. Okay, yeah, you can say list element array list dot add of m data. Okay, fine. So that our m data will be added to list element array list. Fine. So everything looks fine, perfectly arranged, perfectly done. Okay, so let's see our application will run or not. So fine, installed successfully without any error. Okay, fine. So let's run the application. Yeah, so here as expected just click this button. Yeah, we got all our mp3 files of our SD card. So here you can play this by click on. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's it. Okay, play this one. Okay, fine, that's it all about today's application development. Now just take a look at playing mp3 files via URL, it's working or not. Okay, so here press back, so URL paste. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, so now we can play the mp3 files via URL also from our SD card. Yeah, you can say internal storage memory. Okay, so yeah, that's it all about our music player development using Java. So if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that I will be stay motivated always. So thank you, happy coding.